Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a very interesting car on the channel today. We have a 1992 300ZX. Customer is complaining of multiple overheats and some oil leaks. And they also want us to perform a multi-point inspection. Well, say no more, fam. Take the radiator cap out. Well, there's nothing in there. We got a Napa Legend battery. So let's look around. Our clutch fluid, well, it's, can I get this out? Yeah, there we go. Clutch fluid is looking like cafe. Brake fluid is, it's not at level, I can tell you that much. Let's put these caps back on. Well, the clutch, well, it releases a ½ inch from the ground, or excuse me, from the floor. We found this here vacuum line just sitting over here. Looks like the union busted. Looks like it may go to this valve right here. Oh, no, there it goes to that fitting right there. Very good. You can see we got a valve cover leak. We can see we have a power steering leak here. I see no signs of timing belt service whatsoever, which is very concerning. Very concerning. Oh, I see some FIFO action. I see some FIFO action. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Well, guys, you know what comes next. Let's take it up top. Well, just in case, what we're going to do is we're going to fill this cooling system with water and see if we can find a leak. And it's taking in a lot. And it's still taking in. So let's go underneath and see if it's pissing. Oh, we got a drip right there already. And it's still taking on water. Alright. So now that we took it up top, we could see we have some damage here. Oh, that's how it's supposed to look. It's an air duct. Very good. And I could see, like, is that what I think it is? Is that what I think it is? Yep. There's FIFO. And there's freaking 2 holes. Not only is this a multi-point, it's a freaking Gravesite. Alright. Oh, yeah, we got a lot of leaks here. We got a lot of leaks up there. Wow. What else? Whoa, we got a lot of leaks up there as well. Wow, that's a lot of oil. Self-lubricating chassis system is doing well. Whoa. Looks like that coolant jacket, that coolant pipe is getting all rusty. Then, what is this got? Air pump? What? Why does it look like it's going into the interior? That ain't a heat exchanger. I don't know what that is. Oh, look at that booger of a weld. Oh yeah, look, no heat shields. Heat shields, that's how it's supposed to. Oh, this side has it too. Guys, I'm not familiar with 300ZXs or anything really Nissan except the CVTs or crap. But what is this? Is this air injection? Is that secondary air of some sort? No, we just had another drip of coolant. It's not under pressure, but we just had poured some fluid in there and it's already leaking. I'm gonna have to disturb the Gravesite and perform an exhuming to get that pan down to see where the coolant leak's coming. Crush washer? Can't see it. Don't know if there's one there. Doesn't look like it. Alright, let's go a little further back. Wow, you know what? Not for nothing. For a 92, looks a whole lot better than the 2015. They must attempt to take care of it. Like, yeah, the exhaust is ugly. Well, the exhaust is really ugly. But, oh, it's aftermarket. Yeah, it's aftermarket from here back. That's what I see there. Those look like some brake lines. They're rusty, but they're not leaking, and they're not really that bad. They're coated. Even the unions are looking pretty decent. Sway bar end link. Oh, we got some play in the bushings, and there. How about over here? Yeah, we got a little bit of play. These links are doing good though. Shocks are not leaking. I don't know if those eccentrics will ever move though. Same here. They look like they haven't moved in freaking 15 years. Oh, you know that link is looking a little stressed. A little stressed under flavor. This one too, but not as bad. So yeah, let's perform the exhuming of Feifel and two holes. Well, he's been there for a while. So is he. Two holes in Feifel are now dead. But where they have died, many will live on. So yeah, we got a coolant leak. It looked like from the water pump area, but I'm really thinking it's a thermostat area. You kind of see a little river of coolant coming down, but there's not that much room to look. So we're gonna drop this thing back down, put it under pressure. Oh, even the power steering pump looks like it's leaking. All right. Well, we have the drip torture going on right now, guys. Just listen to the drip. Very good. So we got one Gugats tire, two Gugats tire. We got a okay third one and a straight up mismatch one over here. So we got a number of things wrong with this vehicle. We got a number of coolant leaks. We have a number of, a plethora of oil leaks. So, and not to mention all the coolant lines are swelling and cracking, and doesn't look like it's ever had a timing belt service. I don't know, man. That's a 30-year-old car, and it's never had a timing belt, and they're on borrowed time. They're on very borrowed time. Needs brakes all around. All the pads are about 1 millimeter. We got freaking two holes and Feifel's Gravesite all disturbed. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna go for an entire engine reseal, and we would take that engine out. So let's see what they're gonna go for. I'm gonna write up an entire engine reseal. Engine has to come out, and while we're there, we would replace the clutch because obviously it's gonna be attached. So yeah, guys, let me know what's good in the comments about these older Z's. Personally, I think they're one of the best ones, but we'll see. So if you guys don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.